In this video, you'll learn how to add different types of media to your iWork files in Keynote, Pages, or Numbers. When you see this button on your Keynote, Numbers, or Pages file, that means you can add a video or a picture. Tap the plus sign with your finger to start adding a photo or video. Select the first option to choose a photo or video that's already on your iPad in the Photos app. Choose the second option to take a photo or video with the camera of your iPad. Today, the photo I want to use is already on my iPad, so I'm going to select Choose Photo or Video. The photos that are on my iPad will show up automatically. Tap the photo you want to use with your finger to select it. Awesome! Now I can see that my photo has been added to my file. Photos and videos aren't the only types of media that can be added to your files. You can add audio and drawing as well. Adding other types of media to your iWork files is just as easy as adding a photo and video using a media placeholder. Let's learn how. When I see this icon on my files, my teacher is usually indicating that they want to hear my voice. In order to accomplish this, I can add another type of media, which is an audio recording. To do this, tap the blue plus sign in the top of your screen. This will pull up a drop-down menu. Make sure that the media button is selected. Now I can choose from the different types of media that I want to add to my file. Here is another place where I have the option to add a photo or video using my camera. I can record audio or even insert a drawing. These are just a few of the types of media that you can add to show your learning. Sometimes while we're working, we make mistakes, but luckily there's an undo button. Sometimes as you're working on your file, you may choose the wrong photo, or you may delete it on accident. In these situations, the best tool to use is the undo button. It's a blue arrow at the top of your screen. By tapping the undo arrow, you can undo the most recent change that you made. If there are multiple changes that you are wanting to undo, you can tap the undo arrow multiple times to undo those changes in the order that you made them. Sometimes as you're working, you may not have the option to undo. Here you can see that my undo arrow is gray, meaning I can't use it. If there are a lot of changes to be made, or I can't get back to the original way it looked, sometimes I can use the master slides by tapping the plus in the bottom left corner. Here I can choose the slide that I want to remake and add it to my presentation. Once you've added the new copy of the slide, make sure to select the old one and delete it so that you don't have duplicate slides. Have fun creating!